Hey guys, I'm Kanika. Welcome back to my channel. So it's another vlog, or not exactly not a vlog. This is little bit different from the other videos. In this vlog, I'm going to tell you something really informative and important tips to cope up with this pandemic. And these tips are really helpful for the youth and the people who are around my age. Because in this global pandemic, we are just living at our home, going nowhere, having no social connection or outing sort of things. So I'll see my tips and let me know how it helps you. How does one actually can boost up their happiness in this global pandemic? So it's not like very easy or like washing their hand. It's not that simple. So it requires some steps and some actions to be done. So here I'm going to tell you all the tips and actions whatever I have researched out. So it might help you guys. So let's get it. Tip number 1 is that emphasis on your physical health and self-care. So guys, it's really prominent to make your body moving and active. You cannot make yourself really active by just only sitting on the couch. So it's really important to make your body moving here and there. It's not that like it's necessary to like do gymming or do like some exercise. It's like play games, whatever you want, play badminton, football, basketball, or whatever you can do, or running. These things will make your body like active from inside to outside. So like somewhere I have read, your physical experience will always influence your emotional experiences. So please do work on your physical body, please. It will enhance your mind from inside. And for those people who are like more over towards the exercise like yoga, meditation, and if you can do that, then it's really good. But for those people who are not really interested in like physical exercise, pulling things up and down, so they can do like they can play games, they can dance, like do Zumbas at your home, sitting, going nowhere. Just do that. It will make you happy by doing these things and give you some positive vibes. And it's really important because we are in such a bad time. We are just living in one house and going nowhere. So it's really important to be happy. So please do this and do self-care, eat good and have good meals, and do whatever makes you happy. Just don't sit at one place. I know a good sleep is really hard to achieve in this such global pandemic, but it's also crucial for your mental health and physical wellness. So try to balance out your sleep and try to just set an alarm to go to the bed and set an alarm to wake up from the bed. So it will definitely help you improving your sleep hygiene in this global pandemic. Tip number 3, inculcate new habits, and that the habits like explore things, try to figure out what's good in you and what's bad in you, and try to convert your bad things into good ones, so that you can be like more freshen up and positive person, and try to like explore things like which you have never done, like playing guitar, playing piano, singing, dancing, or whatever you like. Some of my friends are doing drawing or sketching, whatever that makes them happy. So I will suggest all my viewers to explore themselves. Tip number 4, make your bed and declutter your space. Because in this pandemic, we are just living at home, and it's really important to make our bed and make our space organized and clean, because there is like no source of any vibes except the negative one. So it's our duty and it's your duty to make yourself little positive with the help of surrounding and the cleanliness. Try to declutter your space and make a happy space in a positive manner. And if you like my video, please give thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. And if you have any good comments or whatever you like about my video or any suggestions, please comment down below. See you next time. Till then, bye bye, take care, and be you, be authentic.